Good morning. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 26th of March. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to issue trading signals. Right, looking at Bitcoin, we got up to this resistance here, this trend line, which is the obvious and nicest. Although this was a decent alternate trend line, we reached it. We've got our bear flag, and I've been leaning towards seeing a little retest of 88.8k, but basically this looks ready to turn. I like it. It's nice. So do we have any divergence here? We've got an old, fairly weak a little bit on the hourly chart, but it's not a great deal. On the daily chart, we've got nothing. And we are coming up to, we're not at a big level here. We're coming up to the, if we retest this 88.8, then we're getting pretty close to the 50 DMA at 8900, 800. But we've got a nice looking bear flag here, and my lean is it's probably going to break down. Looking at Solana, we reached the obvious trend line here. We've overthrown it very slightly. We've got a very nice bear flag here. I'm leaning towards this turning down as well. We should see a retest. It should deliver a retest of 112.19. Do we have the IHSs forming potentially that we've got on the equities charts? Yes. Could have an IHS across here. Looking at Bitcoin. Do we have an IHS here? Not obviously, no. So what about Ethereum? We've got, hang on. Okay looking bear flag. We didn't quite make it to this resistance here. Hang on, wait a second, I'm just drawing in a line. But I don't think we've got a really good flag here, but it's okay. And, oh no, that is pretty decent actually. Okay, that's the likely flag resistance trend line. And I think we pretty much almost reached it, but not quite. Leaning towards it going just a little higher into that, but again, this is a nice looking bear flag setup. Really nothing wrong with it at all. And I'm expecting it to deliver what it says on the box. Could we have an IHS forming here? Possibly, but I think that's mainly something we've been seeing on equities here. We don't have a lot of sell signals here, but nice looking flag setups, and I'm looking to see a reversal here on equities. There's a pretty good chance we're going to see one here on crypto as well. So we will see how that goes today. But this should deliver a retest of the low. But I mean, we are almost at the end of the flag, the window. We've got a week left technically of the tariffs window, but unless there's serious talk that we're going to actually be reversing on that, chances are this is going to break down. And if the tariffs thing goes ahead as planned, then it's probably going to break down quite a long way. We will see how it goes. I'm going to be doing a post today on crypto and a post today on equities. I'm going to be writing those over the next couple of hours. So watch out for that. But basically, we were looking for flags. We've got flags. And this is pretty much the obvious place for that to be turning down. And the obvious time for that to be turning down really is today. Let's see how that goes. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at questions. On the first BTC chart, hang on, wait a second. Is there a small terminal triangle there? Yes, there is. So we'll see. I'm liking the downside here, although this triangle could be a bullish triangle setting up a retest of 88.8. That would give us a small double top if we get it. I am thinking that we might see a reversal of halfway, come back and retest the high, and then go back down to set up topping patterns, to set up the way back down again. We'll see. But I think that might well be the way this plays out. But I think in terms of if we could go back to 88.8 and then do a 50% retracement of this rally, that would be a good first step. If we then retest the high, then that would set up a nice looking double bottom to take us back to the lows and then go. That would be the ideal sequence. We'll see if we get it. All right, brilliant. In that case, take care. I'll catch you tomorrow morning.